cô rồi tôi đem về Mỹ coi cho cô qua Mỹ với.
Behind me here is the only Vietnamese shop here in Sofia, Bulgaria. Do you know anything about this Balkan nation bordering Romania, Greece, and Turkey? During World War I, Bulgaria was a part of the Central Powers, and during World War II also aligned with Germany. Years later, communism would take over the political system, and towards the end of the Soviet influence in the late 1980s, Bulgaria transitioned into capitalism. This process was far from easy, and the effects are still being felt to this very day, especially concerning the lives of the Vietnamese who once came to study or work, and we're going to try to meet some of them in this video. And my trusty sidekick in this episode is Tess. She's German, and she's volunteering in Sofia. Let's go in for a quick visit.
Gà này là trong Sài Gòn này hay ăn.
Dạ đúng, cà pháo đúng không?
Cà pháo.
Dạ, cà pháo phải có chấm với cái này nè.
Đấy.
Ok, wow, có hết hả? Đã hả? Wow, nấm rồi mì rồi.
Tôm này.
Vẫn còn tôm nhá.
Người ta ở giải rác nhiều lắm.
Ở đâu?
Các tỉnh lẻ.
Tỉnh lẻ nhiều.
Sofia thì ít.
Sofia chỉ có khoảng 200.
200 người thôi. Nhưng mà tổng cộng Việt Nam ở Bulgaria là khoảng bao nhiêu người?
500.
500 người thôi.
Thì trước kia là có 20.000 người.
20.000 người.
Nhưng mà lao động hợp tác coi như là người ta ký hợp đồng lao động mà sau đó về năm 90.
90 là về. Ok.
Wow. Thế việc còn lại có ít thôi.
Với tiền bạc nữa. Wow. Chứ không ngờ là thấy cái đó ở đây. Vermicelli noodles, got rice. Oh, they have Vietnamese rice as well. Có cá rô. Wow.
Có cả nem dế kìa.
Có ốc để làm bún riêu. Nhưng mà hơi khó cho không dám nấu. Có tăm Việt Nam luôn.
Có.
That's so cool. Wow, nhập từ Việt Nam qua luôn.
Truy mà sao không có người mua thế.
Ok, cảm ơn cô và chú nha. Không có quán gì nữa, không có cái chùa, không có nhà thờ Việt Nam, không có gì hết.
Đây làm gì dân đây nghèo nó không như các nước đâu. Như Đức và Tiệp là người ta xây có những cái chỗ thờ cúng tụ tập, như ở đây dân đây ít lắm cháu. Mà nghèo lắm. Các người ta đi chợ đến 2:30 đã về. Ôn Meserica rồi Paradise hoặc là Domo thì là vào trong đấy mỗi người ta thuê một cái kiosk kiểu của các nước, đồ ăn của các nước.
Các nước, cái kiosk thôi. Ok, chứ nhà hàng, quán là không có. Cái chỗ đó nó ngon. Nó giống
thật với các cháu là các cô ở đây ít cái kiểu hưởng thụ bên ngoài, nó đúng, ngoài giờ về là chỉ với gia đình thôi.
Gia đình ăn thôi, đúng rồi.
Bọn trẻ con ở đây thì nó lại hời hợt, nó đi ăn chơi ăn chiếc.
Đúng rồi, nó cũng thèm ăn mấy cái chuyện đó không?
Tại vì cô ngon thì cô
ăn cũng được, cũng đỡ thôi không?
Cũng đỡ, cho đỡ thèm.
Ok, cho đỡ thèm. Ok, tại vì giờ
chứ còn chất lượng thì không bằng Việt Nam.
Đúng, sao bằng được, đúng rồi. Nhưng mà giờ nói chung là cháu cũng đói thì ăn sẽ ngon hơn. Đúng không? Càng đói càng ngon hơn.
Đúng rồi.
Okay. So we were off, heading back towards the center of town again, eager to try some Vietnamese-like food and more eager to meet Vietnamese people. The malls are a good start. Head to the food court to find either sushi or Chinese-esque food, and you might meet some Vietnamese people. Mì đi, mì. Rồi một cái mì, một cái cơm. Đi.
Sao mày biết tiếng Việt mày ở đây nó bao nhiêu bố mẹ bên đấy?
Cháu là người bên ngoài mà. Nhưng mà ở đây có quán ở Việt Nam nào?
Không, Việt Nam ở đây không làm được, tại vì có người đâu mà làm bán chỗ hai.
Không có khách phải không? Nhưng mà cháu thắc mắc là có người ta họ đã thử mở rồi. Hồi xưa đã thử mở quán rồi.
Mở rồi
mà không thành công. Nhưng mà thức ăn Trung Quốc thì ăn được. Người Bô thức ăn Trung Quốc. Giống như là cái này là đa phần giống như là thức ăn Trung Quốc đó đúng không? Chứ đâu phải Việt Nam.
Nó cũng chả giống ai.
Chả giống ai. Chào cô, khỏe không? Lâu quá không gặp. Lâu quá không gặp người miền Nam.
Nhưng qua Đồng Nai đây nè. Trời ơi, hết hồn cái ở nào.
Ủa, Đồng Nai chỗ nào? Đồng Nai chỗ nào?
Trong công an xã đấy.
Công an xã. Cô có biết cái đường rề xe lửa không?
Biết.
Ngay cái khách sạn Đồng Nai hồi xưa.
Đúng, khách sạn tên bây giờ nó làm to lắm.
Đúng, gia đình con ở ngay cái bùng binh, ngay cái trường Ngô Quyền á.
Ngô Quyền. Nhà bác cô đó mà. Nhà cô là gần cái chỗ chợ Đồng Nai Biên Hòa đấy.
She's from my hometown.
Người Việt Nam gặp người Việt Nam nhiều lắm.
Có thể mình biết người chung nhau đó, tại vì tại Biên Hòa nó nhỏ mà đâu nha. Lát con nói chuyện sau. Cảm ơn cô nhiều, cô đi làm nha.
Chúc ăn ngon nha.
Ok, cảm ơn nhiều. So this is Vietnamese Chinese American food in Bulgaria. Yeah. So you're probably wondering, how is it, right? Well, look, guys, please remember that I'm in Bulgaria, okay? And I'm definitely not in LA, not in Toronto, definitely not in Hong Kong. This is not Panda Express, that's for sure. But the fact that they do have it, the fact that it's not even Vietnamese at all, I mean, I guess the egg roll is kind of Vietnamese. That tells you a lot about this place. If there's no Vietnamese restaurants, then the next best thing is to cook the food for yourself, if you know how. Okay, so right now we are back in Tessa's kitchen and she is frantically trying to clean it up. I'm gonna show her how to make Viet Kieu. I've never done this before. So in addition to replacing the pork belly with the eggs, we're also kind of limited when it comes to herbs as well. We have some salad, we have this cucumber, and we got some cilantro, but if this was a more authentic approach, we would have a lot more herbs, but unfortunately, as you know, this is Bulgaria, and we couldn't even find the chives, and we looked many places. I mean, we even went to the forest. It's just us. There's nobody around. Just us. Just us. It was very scary.
Uh-huh.
You like it?
I'm not sure. Did you never taste a thing like this before? It's like kind of like good, yeah, but strange.
Yeah, it's the first time you ever had it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Finding hoisin sauce or tương đen was not an easy task in Sofia. We had to commute across town to find it because even the Vietnamese store didn't carry it.
Tương đen á? Không, tương đen này không có, chỉ có tương cay cái loại này.
The hoisin and the veggie journey did allow me to see how great the public transportation system is for Sofia. Cheap and relatively convenient getting around town, seemed relatively easy. I wish the same could have been said about the spring rolls dipping sauce. I really should have watched some YouTube videos on how to make this before I started making it. We're trying to make the sauce, but it's not working. The sauce is not working yet. Emilion is here.
Yeah, I'm there.
Emilion, and I'm sorry if I'm not saying your name right, Emilion is from France and he's interning in Sofia. He's also Tessa's roommate. And neither one of them has ever tried Vietnamese food before. And by the way, I just love sharing what I know with others, and more importantly, sharing foods with others. People who might never get a chance to try something Asian or Vietnamese before, I really appreciate and enjoy showing them a whole new world of not only cuisine, but culture. But you want to get a bite of everything, like the shrimp and everything in there as well. I do like it.
Mm-hmm. I also like the egg inside.
This is a big moment. No, it's not bad. I mean, it does miss a little bit of the Vietnamese herbs and stuff like that, but I'm happy. There's no chives or anything like that. The sauce is wrong. I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, hope it, I mean, it wasn't that bad, right? You were expecting it to be a lot worse, right? Right. So who's gonna clean up this mess?
Me.
As Tess cleaned up, thank you so much, Tess, I had a meeting with some VIPs in the Vietnamese diaspora loop. We met at the Mall of Sofia, one of the best malls in town. So Martin is the leading expert to the Asian diaspora here in Bulgaria.
I mean, things that I know about is that Vietnamese people had left the country just because after the socialist regime fell and we became capitalists, our economy was failing. A lot of people decided to go in other countries where the economy is thriving there.
When were the Vietnamese primarily here?
About the 80s, they were also here to study to get a higher degree.
Right, so they were here at one point.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of knowledge about Vietnam nowadays. It's only China, Japan, Korea.
Right,
like if you go on outside another country and you tell them to count some Asian countries, they might say India, Japan, Korea, and China. And the other countries, they'll have a little. They have to think more to.
Right. Actually, remember.
Yeah.
Right. With your parents' age, they knew more about the Vietnamese.
I mean, they had to study with Vietnamese, Cambodians, Nigerians, and they didn't have a big problem with. Finding a middle ground.
Right. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know about that. That's fascinating. I didn't know about that. So my quest for Vietnamese people continues. Well, first, let's put that quest on a brief hiatus and let's find some Korean culture in Bulgaria. Okay, found. K-pop, as you might have imagined, is also quite popular here. There's even at least one Korean cafe that serves the basics, and the basics was extremely delicious and very authentic. This would have been a great place to document if I was doing Korean diaspora for sure. Either way, thank you guys for hanging out with me and talking about Bulgaria, Vietnam, and Korea. And towards the end of my stay, I wanted to finally try something authentically Bulgarian.
Hey, nice to meet you. My name's Lynn. Nice to meet you.
Tess remembered that she made an Asian friend not too long ago, and we had a chance to meet on my last night there. This is Lynn and his girlfriend Janet. He's Vietnamese, of course. And you're from Bulgaria.
I'm I'm from Bulgaria. I've been living here for 20 years.
Wow.
And my mom used to study here in the 70s. Like for 9 years in the economic university, I think. I used to watch Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! And Dragon Ball in German because there was no anime in Bulgaria. So yeah, I used to watch that every day. And suddenly I could speak German. The ways that my mom taught me was that we only spoke in Vietnamese at home, and when I'm out, I do whatever I need to do.
Right. I have no idea what I should order. What do you order for me?
Wait.
Vietnamese banitsa.
Banitsa. Okay. Has he tried banitsa?
I've tried nothing.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
Even banitsa.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you tried the white cheese?
I've tried nothing.
I don't know.
I've been saving it for the right moment. This is the right moment.
Okay.
I've been saving it, right?
So what would a traditional Bulgarian household look like? Is like the man would come home after work and the wife would be cooking, and usually there would be like a salad, like a tomato cucumber salad with a little bit of olive oil and this Bulgarian white cheese, which is like strongly salty.
Yeah.
And a type of brandy the Bulgarians call rakia.
Yes.
Yeah, and that would be like how you welcome a Bulgarian man home.
Every day. Yes. Brandy every day.
Every day. Може ли една пресешопа със сладка и някаква ракия да ми препоръчате? Добре, да, една чаша.
Is that the brandy?
Yes. You smell it first. It's cold.
Not bad.
Is it? This is why you get drunk.
I'm already drunk.
Oh. I told you it's super strong. It's like one of the strongest alcohol you'll have in your life.
No, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad.
It's one of the strongest alcohols you have in your life.
Oh god, I feel it. Oh god.
I think it's a thing that you need time to get used to, for sure. It's not something that you just drink the first time.
It's like a pizza.
Yeah, well, it's tomatoes, peppers, and cheese, and bread.
Nice. For me, what changed was when I went to Vietnam for the first time. I was like, oh my god, just everybody's my height. right? Everybody's like, I'm not short. I don't have to look up and talk to people, right? You know that feeling, right? Yeah, you know that feeling, right?
I know.
Yeah.
She's taller than me.
Yeah, right. Which, just a little bit, right? But it's that feeling of like everybody looks like me, right? And then you kind of understand it a little bit more.
Oh wow.
Okay, so.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow, that's awesome. That does kind of look like me, yeah.
I can sign it and give it to you.
Yeah, sure. No. Yeah, please. That would be a great souvenir. Thank you.
I've been to Vietnam once, and there was a month trip.
Do you remember anything of it?
Yeah, I do.
Do you like it? Like, did you feel like a connection to like these people that you probably never heard about?
I've never seen before.
Right.
Yes, I felt strange.
Yeah.
Mostly because, you know, I go to an airport and I see like 20 people shouting my name that I've never seen before. It was actually kind of an amazing experience, but it's also very daunting because you've never seen these people before, right?
What a great experience seeing the lives of Vietnamese people, quite different than my own. What a great meal and chat with Linh. Thank you so much for your time. And despite growing up so differently, the Vietnameseness remained within both of us. And hopefully that gives you guys a better idea about the Vietnamese people here in Bulgaria. You probably didn't even know there were Vietnamese people here to begin with. But nevertheless, I'm happy to bring this content to you. Very special thanks to Tess for her time, and also to all the Vietnamese people who appeared in this video. It's always great to meet Vietnamese people all over the world. And Bulgaria, well, it's a pretty far away place from Vietnam. Very special place. So, I've been Kyle. Those are the Vietnamese people in Bulgaria. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you when I see you. Actually, Bulgaria is actually pretty nice. I'm scared of the pigeons a little bit. They make this loud noise, but I'm very happy I went here. Sofia was incredibly charming. It's beautiful, especially during this period where it's like right after winter into the summer time right here. Even though it's spring, but they don't really have a spring, I was told. But anyways. Một, hai, ba. So 1, 2, 3. Một, hai, ba. No. Một, hai.
Okay, again. Wait.
Một, hai, ba. Yo.
Một,
hai, ba. Yo.